In this video, I'm going to show you how to get into that little crack in between your oven. It's annoying trying to fit anything in there. So, what's good to use is our drain brush. It fits perfect and it will catch all of that dirt, fluff, whatever's stuck in there. We know how it gets. And I'm just going to glide that straight across, agitating all of that stuff out. I'll show you. It just attached straight away. Then with a wet microfiber, I'm just going to clean that area to make sure I've got everything. Gone. As simple as that. Let's just give it a quick polish. Glide it straight across, and we are done.